We are back now. It's 8:50. Today, food time. More of our slow cooker week. And today, food contributors, Siri Daly, creator of the blog Seriously Delicious, here with the Today Original Recipe. Siri, good morning, Mrs. Daly.
Good morning.
We haven't seen you all together as man and wife.
I know, thank you very much.
Don't we look different?
You do.
No, it's the same.
How's everything?
She quickly changed everything, though, which made me really happy.
I changed my name I'm still going through the process.
Yeah, so that's not a quick process.
Yeah, no. In fact, I think he should change his name.
To what? What do you mean?
To my name. You go through the process.
to Carson Bingo Pinter.
Siri, yes, we'll both be
Daily.
Siri
Do whatever you want, honey.
Now, this is a recipe Siri's constantly making at home.
I mean, how many times have you made this?
Okay, this is a Today Original, so we don't make it a lot at home, but it's delicious. We will now. It's a slow cooker chicken and biscuit pot
Sounds
pie.
good. Okay, Bingo.
Okay,
I'm
I'm out.
taking
I'm gonna go
Mrs.
down.
Daly. We're going to make this.
So
What's
our
on our
ingredients,
grid?
we've got butternut squash, self-rising flour, that's for the biscuits, chicken stock, heavy cream and milk, not too much, olive oil, chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs.
Oh, why thighs?
Because it's just more flavorful. They're not going to dry out as much as breasts. Salt and pepper, and more flour, I guess. Peas, butter, carrots, our herbs, which is sage and thyme and onion.
Okay, looks
So
healthy.
first step, we're going to brown our chicken in some canola oil. And we want to get it really hot.
Okay.
That's like a mistake that sometimes people make.
Get the pot hot
Yes,
first.
get it really hot because it's going to help brown everything.
Okay.
So I'm just going to put this in
I should mention the
here.
tasting table is in position downstairs.
All right. Did you make it down there, darling?
Not even here. It's delicious.
Did
So
you,
good.
sweetie?
This is how we talk now that we're
You can start
married.
making it a lot now, Siri.
And now I'm going to season it as well because
Okay.
you want to kind of generously season with salt and
Just
pepper.
a little salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to put some pepper on that. Over here, we already have some browning.
Okay.
And we're going to remove this from the pan, and then we're going to use this same pan to add our vegetables.
Because it's got all the little bits on the
Exactly.
bottom.
And
Okay.
you can add the vegetables to the pot pie uncooked, but it's just going to add so much more flavor if you do it this way.
Okay.
So we're going to add our carrots and our onions.
Those are pretty traditional for vegetables. Could you put others if you
could add-
wanted?
Totally. You could add whatever you have.
Okay.
And we're going to add squash later, but we don't want to add it now because it's going to overcook if you
Get
cook
too
it too
squishy.
much. Yeah. So we'll cook this for about 5 minutes till it starts to brown. And then do you want to add the flour?
I do. Just
That
dump
is
it all in
Yep,
there?
dump it all in. It's like 3 tablespoons. And that's going to help thicken everything later on, which
Okay.
over here we have the flour already cooked into the vegetables. Now we're going to add our liquids. So I'm going to add the chicken stock. And do you want to add the cream?
Do I ever?
And again, it's only about a 1/4 cup, so you don't have to feel too guilty.
Yeah, no.
And then our fresh herbs, which is sage and thyme.
Looks like a hearty meal.
And we're
Okay.
going to bring that to a boil. And then over here, we already have it in our crock pot. And we add the chicken back into that, add everything into your crock pot, and then the squash, like I mentioned earlier.
At the very end?
At the end. Well, no, right before
You
we
turn
cook
on the
it.
slow cooker,
Exactly.
okay.
Now we're going to cook it for 3.5 hours
Okay.
on high. And then back here,
Okay. How's it going down there, guys? You like it?
Delicious.
really good.
This this would be really good on a snowstorm day.
exactly.
Maybe this
For
weekend.
Yeah.
We added our peas also over here at the very end after
Okay.
the 3.5 hours because they
You
only
made
take.
your biscuits homemade.
So now we're going to make biscuits, yes, and it's really easy to make. But you could do the store bought,
Okay,
cheap
thank you.
version if you.
I was gonna ask.
Okay, once you buy your slow cooker, right? So-
Yes. Come on. This is my mixer.
Okay, so cold butter. That's really important. Because that's going to help our biscuits stay fluffy and light.
Okay.
So I'm going to use these knives to do it. And you really don't want to overmix it.
Okay.
And then you want to add the milk, cold
Yeah.
milk. And, typically at home I'd get in there with my hands and get really messy, but I'm going to just use a spatula.
All right. We're out of time.
Okay.
RecipeOnToday.com. Learn about the biscuits.
Yes.
Tastes good. Thanks,
Yes.
Siri Daly.
Uh-huh.